Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video I am going to discuss about what is network. So a network is a collection of computers and devices connected together, often wirelessly via communications devices and transmission media. When a computer connects to a network, it is online. Networks allow computers to share resources such as hardware, software, data, and information. Sharing resources save time and money. In many networks, one or more computers act as a server. The server controls access to the resources on a network. The other computers on the network, each called a client or workstation, request resources from the server. The major difference between the server and client computers are that the server ordinarily have more power, more storage space, and expanded communication capabilities. Many homes and most businesses and schools network their computers and devices. Most allow users to connect their computers wirelessly to the network. Home networks usually are small, existing within a single structure. Business and school networks can be small, such as in a room or building, or widespread, connecting computers across a city, country, or the globe. The world's largest computer network is the Internet. So I hope you understood this simple concept about network. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Goodbye.